Welcome to GigIO's series of how-to videos. In this video, we'll show you how to compose pooled GPUs and NVMe storage with FabreX using SuperCloud Composer.
Hello, I'm here to talk to you about how to use GigIO's composable disaggregated infrastructure network FabreX to compose pooled GPUs and NVMe resources using SuperCloud Composer. What I'm going to do is show you a network of what it looks like, how everything's connected. We'll log into the SEC application. I'll show you the pod view of the systems in the rack, and we'll show that the servers have no I/O attached. We'll be looking at their KVMs. We'll show a list of the possible I/Os to attach. We'll attach GPUs and NVMe drives to servers. We'll do GPUs to one server. We'll do NVMe drives to another. We'll commit and reboot the servers, and then we'll log into the servers. And we'll show that they have I/O attached. Okay, so let's see what they look like when they're connected. All right, so here's the hardware layout. We've got this manager server that we call data center that is running the SEC application, and it has configured a private network amongst the FabreX switch and the two servers. The FabreX switch is also connected to an AIC box that has two GPUs on each side, and we've got 2x16 connections to the FabreX Gen 4 switch, and we've got 2x16 connections for the NVMe storage. Here we see a picture of the hardware setup. We've got the GPUs in the AIC box here. We've got the NVMe drives in the U2 resource box here. We've got our two servers that we're gonna attach the I/O to, and we've got our management server here. The switch can be seen in the rear view with all these connections here. The management server, 8443 is the port number and login. We'll sign into the application. The first screen shows us the dashboard. It shows us the nodes, the system status, everything looks good. So the pod view is what's in the rack. So we can see here that we've got two servers. We've got a switch. If we wanted to add more components, we could add more components, but this is pretty much how our setup is. All right, so now we want to compose. So we'll do the KVM for Kraken. And we'll do the KVM for Leviathan. So with the SEC, we can do the IKVM to take a look at the servers. The servers are both powered on status. You can see here, we do not have any I/O attached to them. So let's see, let's log into the servers and make sure that's true. So it looks like they do have an internal K80 card, has two GPUs on it. Go to the other server, do the same thing. Looks like this one has one K80 card as well. We go to attach resource management. And we're going to attach NVMe drives, and we're going to do it through the PCIe switch. And let's just select all of them. So we'll move all of them over here. And we'll submit this. And then while that's doing that, we'll go to Leviathan. And we'll attach some GPUs. So let's attach all of those. All right, so we can see that that we've added 12 NVMe SSDs to Kraken, and it looks like it's added the GPUs now. You can also notice that it has also powered off the systems in order to add the I/O. If we look here, sure enough, we can see that the systems are in fact powered off. Let's power them back on again. So it says success for the command to power them on. And we can see, sure enough, they're booting up. We can now see that both servers are back up and running. Let's log in again and check the I/O has been added. And for this server,
we're looking for, I believe, the NVMe drive. Sure enough, we still have the GPU that's internal to the server, and we have all the NVMe drives. For this server, I believe we just added more GPUs. And sure enough, we have an additional 1, 2, 4 cards or 8 more GPUs. All right, so we showed you how to compose, and decomposition is just as easy. So let's say that we want to decompose these. We would just select the server to remove the drives. Again, these drives are connected through a PCIe switch. We would select all the devices, and we would submit. Once again, this is going to go ahead and turn off the system, and it's going to remove the NVMe drives. We can now see that the NVMe drives are now removed, and it's just that simple.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it interesting, and we would love to work with you. So please send us email or give us a call. Thank you so much. Goodbye.